Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are in Crownland or Wilson's Run. Alright, so we're here to visit Ryan. Please do remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so we're heading to Ryan just before the arrival of Melissa, if she's coming.
Yes, soon if she come. Yes, so she a category 4 or 5 now.
Okay, so oh, the rain stopped you. Can't hold on this umbrella here.
Go on after you.
Why? Boy.
Yeah,
Who that? Ryan. Huh?
But Ryan, you just know say we are come,
We
so you
just
couldn't
call
look
you.
nothing.
So where you are go? Oh.
Rasta! What go on?
Yeah, man.
What go on with night weather ya?
I walk up and down here.
Up and down you walk? Yeah?
Hi, good morning.
Listen now.
I pass through.
I walk up here, let's have it too.
We soon come back.
God have mercy.
Because we not come from our house, you know. When we come back.
Wait.
We go for Ryan and come back.
My yard.
We go up there, sir.
Oh, so we come back home.
We will contact you when we come back. Alright.
Alright.
I have a virgin seeing Daddy Bill yesterday. Today I feel good and he said that he's my brother going to miss a help today, is it?
Oh, when is it going today? When did you go?
Go back and play
Ryan?
no
Yes, sir.
Falmouth.
Oh, but you might give a hand.
Yeah, he said he must give me a strength, man.
Oh, that's good.
Now what did happen up here, sir?
Eh?
Up here, sir, funeral keep?
Yeah, up here you see it happy there.
No,
Where?
yes, so me attack, because I see road so clean.
Up?
Eh?
Are you weed up?
Yeah, and me a weed up the place I grew on, so.
Where you use the walker? You look good though.
I tell you, say, whole place that weed up, I just 3 man them now help me out, man. Me just,
Yeah,
me
you
just
are.
lock off my work and go put it on back in.
Oh.
But me weed up is still.
But you do enough. From down the road come right up here,
The
so.
whole around this a man grown, so.
Yeah?
Yeah, whole around them me brush up.
Okay.
What you want, sir?
The man them now buy me no gas.
Why man can't sleep like?
He ain't gone out on the road, they say him a look. If he brother if he can't get a doctor.
I want to see him. You might go to doctor today, Sunday?
No, what kind of doctor man? I said that the man they him tan man.
You want to see him get something to him?
Hey.
God have mercy. Awesome.
The man is not asleep.
Yeah, come up, miss.
Yes, sir.
well, me like how you come prepare this time, though.
What is it this morning already, you know?
Tell me what's about a rain for how much weeks now?
You gone dirty.
Hey, okay, man, take you go out and do me plan. Hey, you mean if man see plan, I tell you
What's a waste?
Is it?
Andre, what's up? Alright?
Yo.
Yes, brother. Mark in the line.
finish it.
Where are they? Your brother in there?
Right. And I say I win put it. I do them more put up now. Yes, sir. Them put up. They just put on that, you know. Yes, sir. You better see it now. I put them all put up. Yes, you know. All of them are players.
Morning, everyone.
It's all about that in that place, sir. China finish it, man. China finish it. When you finish,
we go wash out here. Yeah.
Finish. Yeah, we now with the shoes. But the same time we finish, they have to take off the load.
You can't put me there with shoes on the tie load.
This is who now? The Rasta we did missing last time we come?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so we had a Rasta day.
You know, come this one.
Oh, so. Oh.
I don't joke, but that's a real guy.
Yeah, both say that one.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, man, this man I help me to man. Good.
Okay, so Rasta day no give no cup.
So we don't rush cup too much, you know. Sometimes we take a one sup.
Okay, Mr. Everybody with more gum, I don't see you with none. Oh, okay.
Take a drink on Taiwan, you know.
We are drink free.
Yeah, he does. I will go and work with them.
Yeah, so you're moving before storm, right?
That more and do.
When I start, not tomorrow.
Tuesday.
Today. Tomorrow,
Monday.
From tomorrow, one. So we have to be from tomorrow.
Okay.
This general film Daddy did.
Oh.
Daddy buried yesterday. You know?
Oh.
Yeah.
Our condolences to you.
And in cousin see him.
It's two of them?
Yeah, my cousin and Daddy did bury.
Big money spent. Million. Yeah. But you come put in your work and so that means you might part in there.
Yeah.
Put up then name, put up the door.
Window look nice though.
That's true. Hey, if you look for any friend on this one, yeah, come on.
Yeah, me see it, man. You look nice.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty man.
So after the song, we finish put on the stone, come back and put on the everything is good, man.
Some man named Likkle.
Likkle. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay.
That is big Naya, you know?
Oh.
If they have no Likkle Naya, willing you, man, believe.
Well, touch your foot, because we don't want you to lose your leg.
Hold on, Ryan.
It looks like it's a sickness in my family.
Yeah, we'll break the curse.
Sonny.
Yes.
Yes, they call him, everybody call him Sonny, boy. I call him Sonny, man. Sonny.
And this a man name?
Naya.
Likkle Naya.
This a man name?
Philip.
Philip.
Yeah, Philip.
Like a son.
I'm a nephew. That is his sister's son.
Yeah, Boopsie, I make a camera go on him last in Boopsie.
Yeah.
I call this a man, you know, Likkle Naya. If you call Likkle Naya uncle.
Okay.
Me as a man say, man. Big cheered man.
So Boopsie come from up here?
Yeah, man.
I know him.
You know Sharika?
Yeah, man.
It's a shop where you pass before you catch your teen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me one out there, so you see one house, man. A Boopsie Billy.
Oh, with one big veranda like?
Yeah,
That's
What a Sharika, what a Medi.
That's a fancy house where the bar is.
Bridget.
Past the church, I go around. He was a fan of I can't.
Okay.
We do a lot of work.
Yeah. Nice man.
Yeah.
Eating room.
That's how.
Likkle Naya.
Can I eat the room?
Yeah, man, I eat it. You know, no, you just tell about one, but I know one.
Andre here. Andre ever there, you know? Ren.
You know, the yard. He always depend on the tablet.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Tablet man.
Yeah, man. Really.
Yeah.
I love him to each other and kind.
He always depend
Yes,
on him
man.
like a tablet. And
We have it to share.
So we show up in our weather.
yeah, no.
No pot.
Yeah, man, pot a cook, but it a
Pot a cook?
cook. Yeah, man.
It's too
What
On school food, man.
That's a real one, you know. Real man, we can't cook up person today.
Yeah.
I said I come see pat them pan fire.
Okay.
We have to just do the little thing in the yard, you know. In a kitchen fan, yeah, one kitchen done. Man, we can't sleep. It belong a kitchen.
I see, man. Where I get to him?
Hey, with a soap. I do him know, man, we are.
You have your number?
You know,
You look at
And my brother, we got a road, my brother drive one band come to the man in the road. Say you bird, you say yes, think I say carton. I'm carrying someone come. Right away. Carry your family so we just there.
yeah, man.
Just bring on this one.
Sonny, this man, man, where,
Pick your reach, man.
man, where you say, man, me I tell you about long time.
Back into the
Him this, you know.
You know, Sonny man,
Yeah, I don't know, yeah, do a weather go on and say still go and do like a thing.
So you're moving before Monday?
That more
Tomorrow Monday, you know?
tomorrow Monday, some of them want even move.
Finish it today? So you're not going to get to dress it for?
That I fit in.
You have to go.
See,
So after this time, now we finish style out.
Okay.
yes, do
I have it all planned out.
Got you, me I tell you,
When you're ready for tile, you call me, because tile it.
that's the
John,
no problem.
you better you're in here so still now over there.
Yeah, tell me what day.
How me tell you?
Remember when Richie did there?
Tell them, man.
Remember when Richie did there? Yeah, tell me, say,
Yeah.
I'm like, family dollar. I say we do, but we rain then we can't get free deal with the veranda today. But me carry up one bag, I say one bag me I carry up this morning and nobody carry up no. So I say free. That can do after it. Me just want.
Even after I stand, man, anytime I stand past, you say I go finish it.
Just slide.
So that can't lean up on Angie. Good on I go. I can't get no sleep last night. Yeah, well, the thing, man. Get it done it. So they say yesterday, our Everyting did come around there, you know. Another one named Richie. Not the one where they do on there, you know.
You cut him in the wrong place?
No. You just cut out one here, so.
Oh, just so when that come, just.
Oh, you put it over there.
But
cut the corner.
But at the same time, now we say me can just use this and cut out there, so.
All the hand saw can finish.
Yeah, and afterwards, no, me can, if me want, me all feel hot, me can just put on inches on it.
After a storm, yeah.
Everything after a storm.
Only when you feel hot, you can put on
Yes, Likkle here.
But after I start, we can't do too much work. Yeah, be more side.
The necessary parts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, most necessary part, man. We just try to get them done, man.
So you have to do them, sorry.
Now with your body,
Oh, you have to do it already. So you put them on. Yes. So if we wait till I put on it? No, you don't have to wait. If you're busy,
meantime, you're there. Meantime, you're
But you still are going.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, still are going.
You finish close up and thing, you see me? Yeah, I let that know.
So,
we say the cook again.
You can every part. I can't with them, man. We can't put it on my belly.
yeah, try to get it, you can get done.
Alright, so Ryan, we have 2 donors who have donated. So this package is from an anonymous donor who we met up with. He's visiting Jamaica. We met up with him and he gave us these items to give you. Alright, and he has also sent. Now we have another donor who has sent a monetary donation for you, and we'll hand that over to you in a little while. So she said to say it's from, let me see if I can remember, Marva Beauty from New Jersey. Yeah, Marva Beauty from New Jersey. Pick up yourself. All right, so
Marva,
yeah, Marva Beauty.
Marva Beauty, you have a nice name. Yeah, big up yourself, Marva Beauty, man.
Let me give you an umbrella, man. So.
Love you so much, man. I really appreciate everything you do for me, man, and thing, man. Yeah, man. All I can do, man, and thing, man. Really appreciate, you know. Contribute. Yeah, contribute.
All right. So in the package we have football. Or soccer ball, you have a basketball, and you have the pump for it as well, and some other good stuff, right? And we also have something for the man who can't sleep that came in this. So I guess we'll see him. We are saying Ghana Road. So we have something that should help him that was also donated. Right, so no, the other 2 in this, you see? So it's 3 of these bottles. So the other 2 in here have a sandrine. Right, and this one.
And if you make sandrine sleep though? Sanjina sleep.
So she let me see.
So she wants something to make you not sleep.
No, this one is, it said daily stress relief.
Yeah, in Wanda.
Yeah, daily stress relief.
Yeah, Wanda.
See if all three say the same thing. So, okay.
Yeah, money.
Daily stress relief. So 2 for her. It's a dietary supplement. 2 for her, and this one is for, when you again, Hubert, you with?
Can't sleep, man.
Yeah, but maybe it's going to help de-stress him and then...
Yeah, but me
just call him, man, we can't sleep.
Alright, so you have pump in here for the balls here. Alright.
You know, I'll be a backer then kick it. See, pump.
That one in there, but there's another one in here. Alright. And some other stuff. Alright, so we just want to say thanks so much to our donors. God bless you richly. And you know, may your store basket never be empty.
Really
and it's Andre, always there, always. Ryan, I think, is an indoor guy. That's his brother.
Shy one. Shy
Ryan always outside. Right.
Yeah.
Andre, you hold this.
Pretty nice.
Alright, so that is it. This is where we end the video.
Yeah, man, them want to say.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave this video so you can give Hubert. Come in and if you're gonna see him.
Yeah, maybe.
So you give him down there? You come back?
Yes.
Okay.
Go call him. Tell him to come here.
Yeah. Don't run, don't. I didn't make a slide.
Man, sleep no man for man. He walk up and say he want to go to the road. They go look for one car and sitting for car and God after find out sleep. And the weather come here now. You know the weather that with the body that sleep. But I say, if you are bad when I sleep, how much a month? And me tell you, me do out there so. The one night, me spend out there, set up night. And come in and tell me say me I go they go help them in the morning. If me Rasta friend no sonny never come wake me up. Me no catch out there. Me come in and go sit down on the bed. I say Sanji, they know say me I go just rest for 5 minutes. I say when me wake up after 10, Sonny go call me.
Fall asleep, man.
Yeah, but he sleep, but he don't know say he must sleep. But I just say he go, I just see nerves.
Yeah.
And nerves, but him just.
You know get no long sleep. Push not being get.
Yeah, just want a little bit and good.
Reach it.
Alright, you want me hold this film to link?
Yeah. Man, it's nice.
You know how long we are calling Hubert? Come now.
Come on, Pastor. Man, we can't sleep. Forward. You know it. Tarian.
Hubert, what going on?
He's back.
You alright? You asleep now? You sure?
You sleep last night?
You say I sleep now.
What you dream say? If you sleep, you must dream.
Everything.
Not dream nothing? You not sleep good then, not you?
Sometimes you sleep.
You have to get some sleep.
So Hubert, we have a donor who sent this for you. You hear? So it's a dietary supplement and it's a daily stress relief. So you must drink 1 to 3 ounces daily. Here?
You forget one scale to weigh.
And you can keep it in the fridge. You say to keep it in the fridge for optimal taste. So when you put it in the fridge, it tastes better. So keep it on the refrigerator.
So drink some now.
Teaspoon and stuff.
It's an ounce. I wonder if this cover is a measurement cover. No, see nothing on it.
You don't know 3 ounce of wax. Less than quarter pound. No, half of one rum cup.
Half of one rum cup? Okay. Sound enough, don't you? You sound too much?
Alright, drink half a rum cup.
So this is yours, you hear?
No, but I don't drink you all at one time, you know. I don't drink no molasses now, you know.
So say thank you to the donor. To me, not to me, to the donor.
Thank you. Yeah, man. Yes, you're alright, man. This one start sleep good. Yeah?
Alright.
See me then? Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright, here, Hubert. Yes, man. So next time we come, you tell me if this helps, if it makes you sleep. Alright, good.
Look at me, I have to go push up this little more. That's all. This one, I cut this one.
Nice young boy.
Yeah. I'm starting and finishing.
Yeah.
Put on the hand, sir. Then you brought your grandfather.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Only thing it take more time, but it's straight.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, palay line. So Ryan, I say after a while I have to move that door, they put on your shop, put the wider one there, sir.
Yeah, but them say no. Say if I see them have me get sitting here now. Yeah, so them more close up.
Frame out one jam.
Yeah, right, that's all. So me don't know, probably me not have to move this door again. Maybe me not have to move.
No, we don't have to move this door.
Yeah, again.
Come here, put it on now. Okay, now you just use the ply make a door.
Yeah, well, the more make one ply to the same way for this door. Yeah. So I say, when me did it now, I say, a good thing for me and thinking in my brain them the type of way they say ropes, but when me see ply them, Miss Marcia call me and say ply forward.
How name Miss Marcia?
Who me?
Oh, so guys, we also have to pick up another anonymous donor who have donated, and as such we were able to purchase 6 bags of cement and 4 sheets of ply for what them call it? Well, plyboard. Yeah, that we sent up yesterday, was it? Was it yesterday? Friday, on Friday. Right. So much love to you, blessings. She's the same person who donated the window and the door,
really,
right? And have been donating to Ryan's project consistently. So I want to say special thanks to her. God bless her richly, and may her store basket never be empty.
Really appreciate, man. Thank you so much, man.
Yes, man.
You
Thank
can sing.
Yeah, man. I DJ, man.
Yeah, man. I sing if you sing, man. People them
Watch your Ryan up, man. Him up, you know.
Now what is that?
Yeah. I'm going to sing, you know.
How are you, man? I'm not going to sing, you know.
Anything.
No, hold on. I said I find a good little tune.
Yeah, go to look feet and come back.
No, man. The day I said you. I search your book. What do you think of me asking? You see? Man, I better do one first.
Which one?
I feel the way like a thing inside. I don't know cookie jar. Yeah, man.
You first, I go give you one.
Alright, let me help you.
All I eat need to be a little tune. Yeah, a little
How boops you laugh so like you know something we don't know.
Well, yeah, when I go sing, say, you know, it's a joy and happiness and blessing overall, right through and through. So me sing you know say, yeah, naya man, we give thanks to life, give thanks to life, give thanks to the blessing and the joy and the happiness we share. Brothers and sisters, mother and father, family and friend, give thanks to life, give thanks to life. It's a joy and a happiness we share. Family and friend, sister and brother, mother and father. One love in a unity, one strength in a happiness. Love in the reason that we must respect. Give thanks to life, give thanks to life. It's a joy and a happiness that we share, that we share.
Like when I come and now, like when I come and now, going out. Like when I come and now, going.
And no blessing from you.
Like when I just forward and now, go move. You remember I go say no, man.
Just take your friend now.
You come and I'll go again. Get a little piece of me again. When will I see you again? When will we share this precious moment? All I have to say, forever. It's just beginning. It's not the end. When will I see you again? When will I see you again? Oh gosh, you need to give to this man life. Oh, he never find nobody to him so nice. I wanna make him live some better life. So, when will I see you again? When will we see them again? When will we share this precious moment? All I have to say, forever. It's just beginning. And it's not the end. When will I see you again? Yeah, man. So bless up on yourself in the car. I don't know, say everything good and nice. Everything good and nice. I say one more, man. Thank God. Oh, okay. That's why you bring in the artist.
Hurricane. That way Hurricane there again.
Melissa.
Okay. Melissa. Melissa is a mother. And your mother no know say mother full of mercy. So she not come again. Unless she not come to make no problem. Me know say she not come again. She not come again. Corona Melissa a whole heap of friends. Oh, she not come again. Hey, I yesterday me talk to her and she say sonny me not go make no war. So she not come again. Hey, we say she not come again. The whole way of Melissa friend. Lord, she not come again. And she not come to make no problem. I hope I pay gift she act like oh no. If I know that, tell her to nobody. Cause we can't take them, they think we can't take no way that. Cause see we just come together. No, she not come again. But no, she not come again. Melissa is Phoebe best friend. Oh, she not come again. Yeah, Mr. Stina, I don't know what he says.
Yeah, man.
Blessed love, man.
Yeah, blessed love. That was real good.
Now forward again, man.
What's the name now?
Boopsie.
You say I want to?
No.
No, man, say a little thing. You know much. Can't say a little thing, you know. FMC one song we sing already, man.
Boopsie no sing. Boopsie Bill House.
Reggae country living in man. Tell the man them. Say something, man. Say something.
Yeah, this something, man.
Yeah.
You make house. You don't make settee, you don't make couch. Come Boopsie show them feel you approach. Everything you don't laugh. Yeah, chang teeth. Yeah. Come Boopsie, man. Don't tune out.
Yeah, feel it, man.
Yeah, man. When you have the tune, come back.
up, man. Bless up.
Philip or something to say, man.
So I'm more life, you know, because
Yeah, man.
you know, say, if it's time come
Hold
around,
on there, man. You're there on the mic. Hold on there.
so you know, say,
Johnny. Yeah, what if you want to, you know?
Tough, you know?
so me I say, I'm more thanks for life. We have to give thanks. Whether if it's time come or you know come, we have to give thanks because evil after it's time, we have to give thanks.
Daddy not DJ today.
So, respect and love to each and everyone. Everybody may I share love to. Yeah, family, friends, everybody. Yeah, so we give thanks for life, and that is it.
Yeah.
And big up everyone, each and everyone, big up on yourself. And I say, Melissa now come again. And if she come, she not make no problem. Because the whole of we are your friend. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Yes. Yes, and if she comes, she not giving no problem because the whole of we are fear friend.
Yeah.
Which is right.
All right, guys, thank you.
Yeah, so
Yes, man.
I love
Thank you,
and
guys.
thanks, you know. Whole heap of respect and we happy, you know, cause I love and thanks.
Yes,
yeah,
man.
respect to everybody, each and everyone. Respect to you. Big up on yourself. All right.
All right, blessed love, guys. Thank you so much for always making it a little everything Jamaican. Stay safe and bye-bye. All right.
Bye.
Sandrina late, too sure. Where did they?
So we will soon next time, and everybody we are keep strong. Already if it's time come or we not come, we still have to live. Yeah. And Melissa our friend, so we have to give thanks.
Yeah.
A friend I look for Melissa? No, we don't really look friend because we are Jamaican, and in a Jamaica we believe. And from we believe, we have to call our friend. We don't want she come create no problem. Because if she come and she gone, we still are go there. So we don't want she come, but if she come, also. Yes. Yeah. And how long she take to come, we have to say, she not come again. Yeah.
Alright,
Blessings, everyone.